Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I really don't know what to call today's video because if you guys are familiar with my trying new to me videos, it's where I try products that are new to me, might not be new to the market, but they're new to me in the video. And I'm kind of doing that today, but I'm kind of not because I've tried most of these products. You guys haven't seen me try them on camera, but I've been trying them, behind the scenes for some of them a minute. So it's kind of still like that, but it's kind of not, but that's what we're gonna call it because I don't know what else to call it, all right? So let's just get into it. All right, so I already filled in my brows and I don't have a new eyeshadow palette to show you guys. Well, I do, but I'm gonna use that in Wednesday's video. So I just used this Pat McGrath Mothership 5 palette for eyeshadow today. So we can just jump right into primer. This is the Lancôme Tint Idol Ultra Wear Blur and Go Primer Stick. What video was it? I used this in I think the video that I did with CoverGirl's Full Spectrum line, and basically how I used it is how I'm using it right now, which was pretty much just in my T-zone area, which is where I get oily because I have been using the Mercier Radiance primer everywhere else on my face, but I do have kind of oily skin, so I've been using this blur stick in my T-zone, and I think it's a nice balance. So basically it'll balance out the oil on my face throughout the day, but since I'm not putting crazy mattifying primers on my entire face, I'm not drying out either. But I feel like this blends pretty quickly, pretty easily. It does blur like it says it does, so I'm here for the foundation stick, and I'm here for those two primers together. And now for foundation, this actually is new to me. I got it over the weekend. These are the Black Radiance Color Perfect Foundation Sticks. They sent me 8 shades. That's how many shades this comes in. Color Perfect Foundation Stick, Ultimate Accessory, Chisel Your Face Perfection, inspired by contouring, shaping, and shading. Let's see, oil-free pigmented long wear brush. Retails for $10.49. Wait, does it come in 8 shades? Oh, I think it really, oh, okay. So this comes in 8 shades. I have the 4 darkest here. Wait, no. Yeah, 4 darkest. I got it confused with the Lancôme primer stick here. Let me go ahead and quickly see if we can find a shade here. Okay, so this is Cashmere. Oh, I kept twisting the bottom because I thought that's how you would pull it back down, but the bottom is an actual brush okay, all right, let's just move on to the next one. This is Cocoa Bean. Yeah, I'll probably end up using Cocoa Bean on my face. Oh, can you see Cocoa Bean? Oh, my bad, these swatches might be low. So this is Cashmere, this is Cocoa Bean, this is Espresso, and then this is the darkest chocolate dipped. Chocolate dip? Yes. All right, so I'm gonna use Cocoa Bean on my face and just blend that out on my face there. Are these matte? I don't remember reading that on the thing, but I felt like swatching them and how they went on, it was more not dry, but you know how you can tell with a foundation stick that's creamy and stuff like that. I didn't get creamy from this, so that's why I'm wondering if it's supposed to have a matte finish. All right, so that is the foundation on my face. I'd say pretty medium coverage foundation there. Even though I felt like it'd be a matte finish, it wasn't that hard to blend out. If you can kind of follow along with what I'm saying here, I felt like it blended out like a cream product would, but I feel I'm getting pretty matte finish, if not soft matte there. For concealer, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear More Than Concealer in the shade Honey 415. And when I say y'all saw this on my face a while ago, I mean a while ago. I used this on my face the same day I did the foundation hunt with the foundation that also came out with this. So yeah, that was in December. So I've tested this out quite a few times since then, and it is just an okay concealer, especially, well, It's an okay concealer, but it's one of the better drugstore concealers I've tried in a minute. Like if I was gonna do a drugstore video, I'd probably use this concealer, but I don't know, I just felt like it was just, you know, okay, like nothing that would make it holy grail concealer or anything like that. Where's the brush? All right, so I let it sit on my face for a minute. But yeah, that video is up if you guys want to see what this concealer looks like hours later. It was just a pretty okay concealer to me. Don't feel like it did anything that stands out any of the times that I've tried it. It does crease on me, but not that terribly. I can say that about this. I don't feel like it creased that badly on my face. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I do have to say, after letting her sit on my face for a minute, she got real full coverage real quick. Okay, to set my under, I'm gonna use this Pretty Vulgar The Powder Room 147 Matte About It powder. I got this in a BoxyCharm 2 months ago. No, this was in December's BoxyCharm. I read the reviews. It has, alrighty then, excuse me, just took a big whiff of powder there. It has a 5-star review on Sephora, so I was excited to try this. Y'all, it says matte about it in the title. They ain't lying. She matte. She matte. Like, she is matte. 2 mattes for me, okay? Because every time I tried it, it felt like the Sahara Desert. On my under eye, area can be a tad bit more drying, which is why I do prep it a little bit more with skin prep before I start putting makeup on. But now there was nothing that was saved. I mean, I'm putting it on my face again today just so you guys can see it, but there was nothing that was saving my under eye. Any of the times I tried this powder, I tried it with different concealers because I was like, okay, maybe it's the concealer that's drying, because the concealers I was trying were new too. But nah, it's almost like an instant effect. That wasn't a snap, but I can't put this brush in my hand. It was almost like an instant effect of just snake skin on my under eye after putting this powder on. Now again, I have more of a dry under eye. If you don't have to deal with that, then if you're looking for a mattifying powder, and I mean matte powder, then it is right here. But yeah, if your under eye can deal with that, it's probably not for you. Okay, to contour, I'm gonna use this Glamazon Beauty by Kim Baker. This is a foundation stick, right? Yes, it is foundation stick, but it's dark enough for me to use as contour in the shade Chocolate Mousse 12. I've used this before, surprise, surprise. I was actually using this in my Fenty Beauty concealer video. That's what I used to contour that day. First of all, she's dark enough for us to contour with, and second, I liked how it looked. I feel like some of you might be surprised because, you know, I've always been that person that said I have oily skin, so I don't want to contour with cream products. But you know, she wasn't bad, and she held up nice on my face that day. So we're gonna try her again. Well, we've been trying her, but we're gonna keep trying her. For blush, I'm gonna use this one from Giorgio Armani. It's their A blush in 54. I'm just going to dot that on. I like that blush, it was subtle. And I just realized I forgot to use this. This is the Anastasia Liquid Glow. The whole point is to put it under my foundation, not over, so I'll keep you guys updated. I will actually do it the right way on camera one day. So this is the Ofra To Me Makeup Fixer Light Refreshing Mist that keeps makeup in place all day. I just got this over the weekend, so I don't know how this one wears, but let's, oh, right, let's move that a little further away from our face because it comes shooting out. Okay. If this messes up my whole face, I'll fight someone. Alrighty then, besides the fact that it comes rocketing out at you and drenches you, so far, still a nice finish. There's a semi-strong floral scent there. For my lips, good old Auntie Pat here has her lip gloss line. I was intrigued once I saw it on Aaliyah's face, but it's Auntie Pat, so you know, one is like 28 $8 or something like that. So I was on Sephora's website and I saw that they had 3 minis for $25. So I said, why not try out 3 different shades, see if you like them, and if you do, then you can go get the full size. So this is Flesh for Lust Gloss, and I mean, it's Auntie Pat, so like we know not to doubt her, but y'all just wait. Auntie Pat. Like, excuse me, look at this gloss. It's called Flesh. It's definitely a flesh tone, especially for someone like me who has naturally darker lips, and it stayed while after I ate, so all the way here for it. Definitely getting a full size in that one. I'm just gonna throw on some of this Beauty Bakery icing mascara on my oh, that was a lot, on my bottom lashes. I've been trying these lashes from this brand called Lovely Lash Studio, I believe, and I want to like their lashes, but I feel like every time I put them on, they don't look like the same lash. That mascara didn't feel like I put much of anything on, but okay. So that is it for my face today. I hope some of the updates on the products that you guys didn't know I was trying out have helped, if any of you were thinking of checking them out for yourselves. Also, I guess the first impressions that I did on the products that I actually did try for the first time in this video. I feel like the big kicker here would be the powder. It's almost instant. There's a snap. It's almost instant just how quick my under eye gets dry and just cracky, not cracky, crusty, there we go, with this powder. Other than that, there's some hits, there's misses. I'll let you guys determine which one's which. But yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I'm also side-eyeing the spray.